my first video for FFR. I'm going to be videoing the whole thing, and I'm very, very, very excited.
Who are you?
Emma Snow.
Emma Snow, her first video. Here we go. Let's do it. I'm Fleming, and we got Emma here, her first video. We are at Hattiesburg Speedway. Surprise, we couldn't help but do it. Emma's showing you the car with the Falcon. There we are. All right, now we made a surprise. Nobody knew we were coming. We waited till about 3:45. We just loaded up real quick and left. I think K9 might be showing up after work, but until then, Emma's gonna be behind the camera, so I hope y'all enjoy the first video. We don't know what we're gonna be able to do tonight, but Emma's showing. We got the big tires on, and we didn't even wash it from the last. There's Mr. Denny Roy Kelly. Our Blue Hearts came off because it's super clean, but we'll get some new ones made. So me and Emma, what are we about to do? Emma, go get something to eat?
Yep.
Going to get something to eat, and then we'll go out for hot laps. Let's do it.
Wait a minute. That's not the in car we're used to seeing. I don't know if y'all seen any of those signs, but I got a call while I was at work. And old A. Flem decided to trek up here by himself. So, and he left all the GoPros at the house because he wanted to sneak off without telling nobody. Which I understand. It's his car, he can do what he wants with it. But I get a message or call saying, hey, Austin's going to Hattiesburg tonight. If you're doing whatever you're doing after work. I was like, well, alright. So, here I am. I'm 30 minutes out. Hot laps, I think, start at 7. It's 6:14. So I think I might try and pick the pace up just a smidge, so I can get in there and get everything set up. Even though he should have everything set up already, being as he's probably been up here for 2 hours.
Let's go get something to eat.
Yep.
All right.
Look who got here. Kevin, how are you feeling tonight?
Good.
I guess we're ready for the race.
Yeah. Hey, okay, bring out here. Emma. All right, sir, what you think about getting called after work saying, if you want to, run up here to Hattiesburg? Not very good well, we had a second last time we were here, but a damaged car.
Yeah, let's not do that again.
Let's not do that again. Everybody gonna be sick after this video. Everybody gonna be sick after this. All right, let's get ready for hot laps. We'll go out there and hot lap, or maybe back in the track. So let's do it.
All right, here we go.
Putting Mike's secret stuff in here.
He's putting the gas. All right. There we have it. The 00 had been racing his race. How did you feel for that race, Dad? How'd that feel?
That was hot laps. It felt pretty good. Track's still pretty bumpy. I mean, seems
They
like
need
it's
to
a really bumpy track.
Yeah, they need to clean those track bumps.
Yeah. We'll just go out for the heat and see what we can do.
Yep. Well, I guess let's just see what happens on the heat.
Yep.
All right.
See y'all in a second.
See y'all in a second. Daddy, are you ready to go on your race?
Yep, we're gonna go out for the heat race, see what we can do. Track's hard, I think.
Yeah.
And we'll try. So here we go.
Yep. Here we go.
Emma's taking a drink break. Kevin's gonna.
Kevin's videoing.
running up the park.
You don't mind.
It went from good to extremely bumpy, and I'm extremely loose. I might not look like it, but I feel like I am. So get with Kevin to adjust tire pressures, and we'll go from there. But good way to start tonight. Emma, this is the pure stock race. You ready to watch it? Here we go. The kid's gonna wave it. Got a pretty bad wreck.
Oh, yeah. That's the worst. 3 cars.
One spun around, got hit a little bit, nothing bad, spun around. This black 6 tried to get out of his way and got pounded by a Camaro. I'm not sure what number. But 2, Carter Taylor from Sunny South, they said he's good, and the Camaro, but they said they're having to look at the number 6. I think they got the medical team down there pulling them out. So, what you think? Picking your nose. Edit that out. This guy right here in the white shirt is the driver of the 6. They got hit, so I see him holding his arm, but I think he's all right. So, gotta be careful in these races.
Feature time.
Yeah, let's go do it. We're already running late.
Sounds like it.
Yep. Your daughter has to use the bathroom 12 times. Alright. Y'all make y'all's way over there. I'll beat y'all with that tire.
Alright. not sure if I got video of this car rolling or not, but apparently the motor mount gave way. But he walked away from it, I think, so Cage did his job.
Hello.
Right, that's it. We got us another feature win for the Falcon. Emma's back behind the camera. Feels good not holding the camera the whole night up.
Yeah, that was interesting.
Track's still kind of bumpy, but
Everything held together.
it held together, so ready for the next race. So I don't know if this was a long or a short video, but sign them out, sir. You might have to get close to that one.
Yeah.
Look right here, Kevin. Hey, hold up. Say what you got to say. What do you want to say?
Well, the 00 did it really good tonight, right?
Right. Tell them. Make sure they go and watch this.
Make sure you go and watch FFR channel.
Yep. And go to Kevin's face. He's gonna sign us out.
Y'all don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share it either.
All right.
Or else.